In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blog on Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to start a blog but weren't sure how to get going, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the entire process, from setting up your blog page to managing your posts effectively, all within just 5 minutes. Let's get started by navigating to Squarespace. If you're not already on the Squarespace site, you'll want to open your web browser and type in their URL. Once you're there, the next step is to click on Get Started. This will bring you to the main dashboard. Whether you're setting up a brand new site or working on an existing one, the dashboard is where all the magic happens. If you're starting your blog from scratch and need to set things up, click on Edit Site. This will take you to the editor interface, where you can modify the design and layout of your website. Now, to get your blog up and running, we need to head over to the Pages section of your Squarespace website. This is essentially your site's navigation map, where you can see all your existing pages and add new ones. Look for the plus icon. Clicking on it will allow you to add a new page to your site. From the various page types that you can choose from, select Blog. This will set up a basic blog page for you, which you can customize further to suit your style. With the blog page created, it's time to choose a layout that you like. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect right now. You can customize it later. Give your blog a name, something like Journal or News, whatever fits your content and audience best. A catchy name can make your blog more attractive to visitors. Now let's dive into customizing the blog page settings. This includes deciding how many posts you want to display per page, optimizing the SEO title for better search engine visibility, and setting a social sharing image, which is the image that will appear when your posts are shared on social media. You also have the option to enable or disable comments globally. This depends on whether you want to foster a community atmosphere or simply provide information. Finally, tweak the styling options to adjust the layout, image placement, and text alignment. You want your blog to reflect your personal touch and be easy on the eyes. With our blog page all set up, let's create and publish a blog post. Click on the plus icon within your blog page. This is where you'll draft your posts. Write your post, add images, and format the text as you see fit. Once you're satisfied, hit publish, and your post will go live for the world to see. Last but not least, managing and marketing your blog. It's essential to regularly update your blog with fresh content and employ marketing strategies to grow your audience, such as sharing posts on social media and engaging with your readers in the comments section. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your blog up and running on Squarespace in no time. Thanks for tuning in,